Hi, it's Brooke from Housemate, and I'd love to thank my brilliant mentors, Lily and Ray Montes, for their endless support throughout the Bronco Startup Challenge. They truly helped me perfect my pitch deck and provided such valuable knowledge, resources, and ideas that really inspired me throughout the way. This all wouldn't have been possible without them, and I'm truly appreciative for the dedication that they put in to helping me succeed. I know that the challenge is coming to an end, but I know that we will continue to support each other throughout both of our entrepreneurial ventures. Thanks again.
Hi, Herman. I want to thank you so much for your mentorship. I appreciate all the help you did for me to build this project. I learned so much from you, and I hope to keep learning from you. I appreciate your knowledge and feedbacks. Again, thank you. It's been a pleasure working with you.
I wanted to say thank you for all your help in my app that has gone by a few names now weekly. I appreciate all the time you dedicated to mentoring me and all the guidance you gave me into growing this project. With some bumps in the road, the project has still gone a long way, and you played a major role in that. Thank you again for all your support.
Hello, Kiam. This is Sneha, and on behalf of Tango, I just want to thank you for your time and for the opportunity to work with you during the open mentorship. I really appreciate your guidance along the process and providing me with a sense of ease while making sure we had everything we need for the Bronco Startup Challenge. Again, thank you so much. It was really a pleasure, such a pleasure to work with you.
Hey Dan.
Hey Dan.
It's Daryl.
And Chris.
And we're the Style Drip team. We wanted to say thank you for your help throughout this whole mentorship process. Without you, the Style Drip concept would not be what it is today. And we want to thank you for your mentorship and for all of your help and feedback throughout the Bronco Startup Challenge.
Yeah, thank you again from both Daryl and I. We couldn't have made it without your help and your knowledge. And we hope that we get to continue to stay in touch as we progress with our adventures with our project.
Hi everyone, my name is Charlize Fontanella and I'm a part of the Bronco Startup Challenge's marketing team. And on behalf of the Bronco Startup Challenge, I just want to thank mentors Jonathan Lacey and Rozola Carrington for all of your guidance and support. Without you, the BSC would not have been possible. So I just wanted to take this time and appreciating all of your time and effort that you have put in. And we wish you the best of luck on all of your future endeavors. Thank you so much.
Hi, my name is America Hara and I am part of the Bronco Startup Challenge marketing and mentorship team. On behalf of the Bronco Startup Challenge, we just want to thank our mentor Arya Malek for all of your guidance and support. You are what makes the Bronco Startup Challenge possible, and we really can thank you enough for your wisdom and knowledge.
Hello everyone, thank you for joining us here at the Bronco Startup Competition. It's finally here. I'm Osaro. I am a part of the Mentoring and Tested team as far as the committee goes. I'm here to introduce the Mentors for Self-Love. I want to give a shout out to them and thank you for the mentorship working with Self-Love. Unfortunately, Self-Love isn't here for this competition, but we still want to give their mentors a shout out for all the work that they put in, and we really want to say thank you for their hard work. So the mentors for Self-Love is Tito Zamalo and Dave Augusto.